I am back with my Dyson Airwrap. I'm gonna show you how to do a really soft 70s blowout. It is gorgeous. It does really help if you have some face framing because it gives you those really pretty flipped out layers. So I'm going to just go ahead and get started. I will first apply a little bit of the Olaplex oil. This is the number 7 bonding oil. As you can see, I really need more. You guys know how much I use this stuff. It is my holy grail. I love it. I'm just gonna apply that on the mid and ends, a tiny bit on my bangs. This will make my hair look shiny and soft. It's also a heat protectant. So yeah, I use it nonstop. And I'm just gonna brush through my hair really quickly. And let's get started with the blowout. So I'm gonna be using, again, my Airwrap. I have the circular brush attachment on it. We are gonna be blowing most everything away from my face. We will begin with a heat until the hair warms up, and then we will switch it to a cool temperature to set the curl. And it's so fast, so easy. You can watch how I do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You just blow it away from your face, wrap it. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. I am gonna start at the back of my hair. This helps me not like be creasing it and having way more issues. Makes it way easier for me. So try it if you've never done it before. And then I am gonna be taking about 1.5 inch section. And as you can see, it just creates a really soft curl. I love the way this does my hair. It makes it just really voluminous and soft. So use it, try it. And as you saw, I was kind of holding my hand like this on it. This is because I have layers and it helps my layers not fall out of the round brush. So if you do that as you're doing your blowout look with the curling brush, it will help you get faster and it'll help that curl stay in it better. And I do pretty big sections because I really do want a big loose curl. You can do smaller sections if you want it to be a little bit tighter, but for me, this is perfect. Okay, so when I wrap my hair, I'm gonna prep it a little bit, warm up the hair, and then I'm gonna flip it over and slide it down my hair. This will make it really smooth, this will add more volume, and then to finish, I let it go to the ends, and then I wrap it a little bit as I'm pulling my hair through, and then I hold it for just a couple seconds to set that curl with cool air, and then I let it out. So if you're confused as the video is going fast, that's kind of a step-by-step of how I'm actually doing each strand. And I just do that all the way around my head, going away from my face this side, away from my face this side, and then they'll meet in the middle and the back. Okay, I have this side mostly done. I have not done my bangs yet, but once I get to the back of my hair towards the top, so like the crown area and the front that's gonna be seen the most, I'm gonna start doing a lot more at the root to give me extra volume and make sure it's smooth. So when I do that, I'm gonna be pulling it up a little bit more to add in that extra volume. Also on the Dyson Airwrap, when you turn this on, I have it on heat high. And then to cool it, I just actually push this button up a little bit further and it does cool air. That way I'm not having to switch the temperature every 2 seconds. This just makes it super easy because the button kind of sits in the middle when it's on and then you just push it up with your thumb and it makes the air cool. So it does make that process super simple and easy. I'm sure you noticed as I did that curl, I was holding my tool all the way up to create that. That's gonna give you so much more volume right in the front. So I always try to do that when I'm just right in that front area. So now I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair to kind of loosen it up. And as you can see, you do have this really pretty soft blowout. If you want to part it on the side to give yourself some extra volume, you can. If you want to keep it parted in the middle like it was, however you prefer your part, it is so beautiful. It's so soft. It makes your hair look so thick and smooth the way that your hair is curled. So I highly recommend. I love this look. And if you have any questions about how I did it, drop them in the comments and we'll try to answer them there.